Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants crispy. The secret lies in mastering lamination, which involves creating numerous thin layers of dough and butter. This process is crucial for developing that signature flaky texture. We will cover the importance of butter quality, precise temperature control, and effective folding techniques to ensure your croissants achieve ultimate crispiness. Get ready to transform your baking skills and enjoy perfectly crunchy, golden brown pastries. The type of butter you use significantly impacts crispiness. Opt for a high-quality butter with a minimum of 82% fat content for the best results. Maintaining a cold temperature, ideally between 4 and 10 degrees Celsius, for both your dough and butter is absolutely critical. This prevents the butter from melting into the dough prematurely. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes between each fold to keep the butter firm and distinct. Lamination is all about precise folding. Aim for 3 to 4 single folds to create hundreds of delicate layers. When rolling, ensure the dough is consistently even, reaching a thickness of approximately 6 millimeters. Uneven rolling can lead to inconsistent layers and less crispiness. After each fold, allow the dough to rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 30 minutes. This relaxation period is vital for gluten development and preventing the butter from tearing through the dough. The final step to crispy croissants is in the baking. Start by preheating your oven to a high temperature, around 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the croissants at this temperature for the first 15 minutes to achieve a rapid rise and set the layers. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 175 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 5 to 10 minutes until they are a deep golden brown. This two-stage baking ensures a perfectly crispy exterior and a tender interior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.